Ever wanted to build your own personal notification system or automate simple alerts with code? Today, we're diving into how you can send SMS messages directly to your own phone using Python and the powerful Twilio API. First things first, you'll need a Twilio account. Head over to twilio.com and sign up for a free trial. This gives you access to their services and a temporary phone number that you'll use to send messages. Once logged into your Twilio console, locate your account SID and auth token. These are your secret credentials. Much like a username and password for the API, also, find the Twilio phone number provided to you. This is the sender ID for your messages. Now, let's translate this into Python. You'll need to install the Twilio Python library. Then, within your Python script, you'll import the Twilio client and set up your credentials using the account SID and auth token you just found. The core of sending a message involves telling Twilio who the message is from. That's your Twilio number. Then, you specify the tune number, which will be your personal phone number. Finally, you compose your message content. With those pieces in place, you'll instruct the Twilio client to create and send the message. Run your Python script. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see a confirmation in your terminal. And almost instantly, an SMS message will appear on your phone. This simple technique opens up a world of possibilities for personal reminders, debugging alerts in your applications, or even building the foundation for more complex automation. Projects. Happy coding!